2022 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 21,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.